Hello everyone, greetings from Kalpana Eye Care Hospital, Chennai. I am Dr. Kalpana Suresh, Medical Director and Chief Ophthalmic Surgeon speaking. 25-year-old IT professional came to our hospital with left eyelid twitch for 2 days. His digital screen time was almost 10 hours per day. Examination revealed a normal vision. He had dryness in both eyes. What is an eyelid twitch? It's an uncontrollable spasm of eyelid lasting for a few minutes. Rarely, it can persist for days or more longer. Most eye twitches are subtle and are not easily seen by others. Let's see the reasons and solutions. Number 1 is stress. It is the most common cause of eyelid twitching. Reduce stress by doing yoga, breathing exercises, or spending time with family and friends. Number 2, fatigue. Lack of sleep can trigger eye twitching. Catching up on your sleep and having consistent sleep schedule of 8 hours per day can help. Number 3, eye strain. Digital eye strain from overuse of computers, smartphone and TV is also a common cause. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. That is, every 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds and look at an object situated 20 feet away. This reduces twitching. Also, ask your eye doctor about computer eyeglasses to relieve the digital eye strain. Number 4, caffeine. Try cutting back on coffee, tea and soft drinks for a week or 2 and see if your eye twitching disappears. Number 5 is alcohol. If you experience eye twitch after consuming alcohol, take a break from it. Number 6, dry eyes. Dry eyes are very common among people who use computers, take certain medications, especially antihistamines and some antidepressants, and also people who are wearing contact lenses. So consult your eye doctor for an evaluation. Number 7, nutritional problems. Lack of certain nutritional elements such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B12 can trigger eyelid spasm. Discuss this with your eye doctor before purchasing over-the-counter nutritional supplements. Number 8, allergies. People with eye allergies can have itching, swelling and watery eyes and also eyelid twitching. When is this serious? Persistent eye twitching, twitching involving one half of face, inability to open the eyelid may indicate serious neurological problem. Consult at the earliest. The IT professional I mentioned above was treated for dry eyes, taught about digital screen hygiene, prescribed appropriate glasses and his lid twitch disappeared. Get a complete eye evaluation by an ophthalmologist in case you experience eyelid twitch. Hope this information on lid twitch is useful to you all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.